Hello everyone, welcome to our channel NJP Coaching. Myself NJ Saikia. Today I am going to discuss a few multiple choice questions regarding the chapter Polynomials of class 10 General Math. This is a chapter of both SEBA and CBSE. Okay, let us discuss the questions now. Okay, প্ৰথমটো কুৱেশ্যন লৈছো এই প্ৰশ্নটো এছএছএলসি আন্ডাৰ সেবা 2023 মানে লাষ্ট এইবাৰ আহিছিল কুৱেশ্যনটো হল এটা পলিনোমিয়াল px দিয়া আছে bx square plus 4 into b plus 1 plus 1 and if 1 is 0 then what is the value of b? যদি এটা পলিনোমিয়ালৰ এটা 0 1 হয় আৰু পলিনোমিয়ালটো এইটো bx square plus 4 into b plus 1 plus 1 then the value of b you have to find out. This is a simple question. Seeing this bx square plus 4 into b plus 1 plus 1, do not think that this is a complicated question. The expression is given in this way. So first see what is the polynomial px. Polynomial px is equal to bx square plus 4 into b plus 1 plus 1. This is the polynomial. And 1 is a 0. So if I put x equal 1, then the value of the polynomial becomes 0 because 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, b into 1 square plus 4 into b plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So, b into 1 square means b plus 4b plus 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So, this is become 5 and this will become 5b. That means 5b equal minus 5. So what is b then? b equal minus 1. Minus 5 by 5. So A is the right answer. Eta বহুপদৰ bx square plus 4 into b plus 1 plus 1 যদি এটা শূন্য 1 হয় তেতিয়া হলে b মান হ'ব minus 1. This is the right answer. Okay, come to the next question. দ্বিতীয়টো প্ৰশ্ন যদি এটা বহুপদৰ শূন্যকেইটাৰ যোগফল আৰু পূৰণফল p আৰু q তেন্তে বহুপদটো হ'ব. If the sum and product of the zeros of a polynomial are p and q, so we know that if the polynomial is in the standard form, that means ax square plus bx plus c equal ax square plus bx plus c, that is a quadratic polynomial. So sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a and product of the zeros equal c by a. Now sum and products are given p and q. Sum and product of the zeros are given p and q. তেতিয়া আমি পলিনোমিয়ালটো উলিয়াব লাগে. আমি পলিনোমিয়ালটো suppose zeros are alpha and beta. Zeros are alpha and beta. So sum alpha plus beta, it is given p. And product of the zeros alpha beta, it is given q. So what is the polynomial? Polynomial will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay, this is the polynomial. plus alpha beta. So what is the polynomial? X square minus px plus q. X square minus px plus q. So this is not the answer, this is not the answer, this is not the answer. What is the answer? Answer is x square minus px plus q. এটা বহুপদৰ শূন্যকেইটাৰ যোগফল যদি p হয় আৰু পূৰণফল যদি q হয় তেন্তে বহুপদটো হ'ব x square minus px plus q. Okay? Come to the next question. The polynomial whose zeros are same type of question. This is the same type of question. There it was given P and Q, and here two figures are mentioned, -5 and 4. Eta বহুপদৰ শূন্য দুটা -5 আৰু 4. Then what is the sum? If I take alpha equal -5 and beta other zeros equal 4, then what is alpha plus beta? -5 plus 4 equal -1. And what is alpha beta? -5 into 4 -20. So what is the polynomial? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So what is the polynomial? X square minus -1 into x plus product is -20. So x square plus x minus 20. So which one is the option? X square plus x, this one. I did not notice first. First I did not notice that C is the right answer. So x square plus x minus 20. I did not notice option C first. I thought that the option was not in the question. Now lastly I have seen C is the right option. So এটা বহুপদৰ শূন্য দুটা -4 আৰু -5 আৰু 4 হলে বহুপদটো হ'ব x square plus x minus 20. This is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Next question. So I think this question no need to discuss. The quadratic polynomial, same type of question only, whose sum of the zeros is 3 and product of the zero is -2. That means directly it is given sum is 3, not zeros are given, but sum is given 3 and product is given -2. Product is given -2. So what is the polynomial? X square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros equal x square minus 3x minus 2. X square minus 3x minus 2. So option D will give the correct answer. Okay. Next question. যদি আলফা আৰু বিটা এই বহুপদৰ শূন্য হ'ব তেন্তে 1 by alpha 1 by beta minus alpha beta মান. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 1, then the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. So I need space here to write 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. Just a minute. Okay, I'll here only I will 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. This expression we have to find out. And given polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1. And from this polynomial, what is alpha plus beta? First we have to decide. Alpha plus beta equal minus b by a. And here b is minus 4. So minus 4 by a is 1. So 4. And what is alpha beta? 1 by 1. 1 by 1. That is 1. So sum of the zeros is 4. And product of the zeros is 1. From this polynomial you can find. And we have to find the value of this expression. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. If we take LCM here. So what is the LCM? Alpha beta. So if I divide the LCM by alpha, then beta will remain here. Similarly, alpha will remain here. And minus alpha beta into alpha beta. Alpha beta square is equal to alpha plus beta minus alpha beta square by alpha beta. So if we put the values now, alpha plus beta equal 4. 4 minus alpha beta equal 1. 1 square by 1. That means what is the value? The 4 minus 1 square, 3 by 1, 3. So where is the answer? Option A. Option A is the right answer. So do not think that this is a tough question. This is an important question also. This type of expression, even sometimes it is given alpha square plus beta square, sometimes alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. By finding alpha plus beta and alpha beta, if we know these values, then any expression can be expressed so that we can put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, and we can find out the values. Okay? Fine. Next. Yeah. Next question. যদি 5x square minus 7x plus 2 বহুপদৰ শূন্য আলফা আৰু বিটা হয়, তেন্তে শূন্য দুটাৰ প্ৰতিক্ৰমৰ যোগফল, প্ৰতিক্ৰম বা অনুন্যক ইংৰাজীত কোৱা হয় reciprocal. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial this one. And the sum of the reciprocal of the zeros, শূন্য দুটাৰ প্ৰতিক্ৰমৰ যোগফল. Like the previous question, if the polynomial is this, then what is the sum of the zeros? What is the sum of the zeros? Alpha, beta are the zeros. What is the sum of the zeros? Minus b by a, that means minus 7 by 5, that is 7 by 5. 7 by 5. And what is alpha beta? What is alpha beta? 2 by 5. 7 by 5, and this one is 2 by 5. Now what we have to find out? Protikramor যোগফল. শূন্য দুটাৰ protikramor যোগফল. That means 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. This is the reciprocal of the zeros. So if we take LCM, then LCM is alpha beta, and this will become, if I divide alpha beta by alpha, then it will remain beta into 1 beta plus alpha. So it is similar to alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Now if I put the values, then alpha plus beta equals 7 by 5. And then alpha beta equal 2 by 5. So 7 by 5 into 5 by 2 equals 7 by 2 on cancellation. 7 by 2. Option A is the right answer. Option A will give the right answer. So if you do not understand in this way, then you can give some comments in the comment box of our channel. Then again I will discuss that. So quickly I am going. If it is given the sum of the reciprocals of the zeros, then we can find out 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta and taking LCM, putting the values. On simplification, the value is 7 by 2 and right option is option A. Okay. Yeah. যদি ax কিউব মাইনাস 6x স্কয়ার প্লাস 11x মাইনাস 6 বহুপদৰ শূন্যবোৰৰ পূৰণফল 4 হয় তেতিয়া হলে a এর মান হ'ব. So it is a cubic polynomial. For a cubic polynomial, maximum number of zeros 3. Suppose zeros are alpha, beta and gamma. So what is the product of the zeros? Alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is the formula. So now alpha, beta, gamma, that product is given 4. শূন্য বিলাকৰ পূৰণফল 4 দিয়া আছে. That means 3টা জিৰো আছে, 3টা শূন্য আছে আৰু শূন্য 3টা যদি মই আলফা, বিটা, গামা লওঁ তেতিয়া হলে তাৰ প্ৰডাক্টটো হ'ব minus d by a. D means this one a, this one b value minus 6, c value plus 11, d value minus 6. If I compare, then this is minus d by a and শূন্য তিনিটাৰ পূৰণফল বা product of the zeros, it is given as 4. So now from this, what we can find out? Okay, alpha, beta, gamma, it is given 4. And minus d by a. So what is the value of minus d? The value of d is minus 6. D is minus 6. And this is a. So on cross multiplication, 4a equals 6. Then a equals 6 by 4. On cancellation, 2 3 is 6. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the right answer. বহুপদ ax cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 এই বহুপদটোৰ শূন্যকেইটাৰ পূৰণফল যদি 4 হয় তেতিয়া হলে আমি শূন্যকেইটাৰ পূৰণফলৰ যোনটো ফৰ্মুলা সেই ফৰ্মুলাটো হ'ল product of the zeros equal minus d by a আৰু এই ফৰ্মুলাটো পুট কৰিলে আমি সিম্পলিফাই কৰিলে পাম a ভ্যালু হ'ব 3 by 2. That is the right answer. Okay. Next question. At a বহুপদ kx square plus 6x plus 4k শূন্যবোৰৰ সমষ্টি আৰু শূন্যবোৰৰ পূৰণফল সমান k মান হ'ব. আচ্ছা, শূন্য বিলাকৰ সমষ্টি আৰু শূন্য বিলাকৰ পূৰণফল মানে product of the zeros, sum of the zeros are equal. And here the expression is given in terms of k also. K is an arbitrary constant. Kx square plus 6x plus 4k. That means if we compare with the standard form of a quadratic polynomial, then a equal k, b equal plus 6, c equal plus 4k. So coefficients are a equal k, b equal 6 and c equal 4k. These are the coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. If we compare to the standard form, then it is given sum of the zeros and product of the zeros are equal. So what is the condition? Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. So what is the formula for alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. And what is alpha beta? Alpha beta equals c by a. C by a. So then, so what is minus b by a? What is minus b by a? The minus 6 by k, and this is equal to c by a 4k by k, 4k by k. So on cross multiplication, what will you get? 4k into k, 4k square, and k into minus 6k. This implies 4k square plus 6k equals 0, and taking twice k common, 2k plus 2k plus 3 equal 0. So either 2k equals 0 or 2k plus 3 equals 0. So we will get k equals 0 or 2k, k equal minus 3 by 2. So what answer is given here? What answer is given here? We are not cancelling this k and k because we do not know whether value of k is 0 or not. So without cancellation, proceeding in this way, we will get two values of k. One is 0 and other is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Minus 3 by 2. Option A is correct. Okay. Next question. X square minus 16 বহুপদ, x square minus 16 বহুপদৰ শূন্য দুটা আলফা আৰু বিটা। তেন্তে আলফা বিটা ইনটু আলফা প্লাস বিটা ইয়াৰ মান কিমান? সো আমাক কোয়াড্রেটিক পলিনোমিয়ালটো দিয়া আছে x square minus 16। মই আগতেও কৈছো যি কোয়াড্রেটিক পলিনোমিয়াল দিয়া নাথাকক আমি কম্পেয়ার কৰো ax square plus bx plus c. This quadratic polynomial is in standard form, and a1, a value 1. This minus 16 means c, and b term is missing here. So what is b? b equals 0. If we compare this quadratic polynomial and this quadratic polynomial, value of a equal 1, b equal 0 since b term is not here, x term, and c equal minus 16. So alpha beta are two zeros. So what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta minus b by a. That means b value 0. So 0 by a, 0. Alpha beta. What is alpha beta? C by a minus 16 by 1 minus 16. Now, we have to find the value of alpha beta into, we have to find the expression, this one, alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So what is the value of alpha beta? Minus 16. And what is the value of alpha plus beta? 0. So it will ultimately, the result is 0. First one is the right answer. X square minus 16 এই বহুপদটোৰ শূন্য দুটা আলফা আৰু বিটা যদি হয় তেতিয়াহলে আমি ইয়াৰ যদি মান উলিয়াম, ইয়াৰ যদি ভ্যালু উলিয়াম, প্ৰথমতে আমি আলফা প্লাস বিটা আৰু আলফা বিটা উলিয়াই লব লাগিব। আলফা প্লাস বিটা minus b by a, b equals 0 here. Alpha beta equals c by a, c value is minus 16, a value is 1, so you will get minus 16. But this is the product, alpha beta and alpha plus beta, minus 16 into 0, and the product will become 0. So option A is correct. Next, যদি ax square plus bx plus c বহুপদৰ শূন্য দুটা alpha আৰু 1 by alpha, that means reciprocal, alpha aru 1 by alpha. Okay, simply eta alpha eta 1 by alpha aru tetia hole ami uliabo lage then the value of c. আমি ইয়াত directly যদি product of the zeros উলিয়াম, product of the zeros, 1 is alpha, 1 is 1 alpha, 1 by alpha, so what is the product? Alpha into 1 by alpha. And what is the formula? Product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial is c by a. Now alpha into 1 by alpha equal 1 equals c by a. So this implies c equal a. C equal a. So what is the value of c? C equal a. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Very simple question. Next. Next question. X square minus 12. A বহুপদটো শূন্য হল. Very simple. X square minus 12 বহুপদটো শূন্য. X জায়গাত কি বহুৱালে? X জায়গাত কি বহুৱালে x square minus 12 equal 0 ওলাব. Okay, x square minus 12 equal 0 ওলাবলে x to কিমান বহাব লাগিব? X to বহাব লাগিব plus minus root over 12. And what is plus minus root over 12? Plus minus root over, if we factorize this 2 is going to 3. And this will become plus minus 2 root 3. So where is plus minus 2 root 3? This one. 2 zeros are there. One is plus 2 root 3. One is minus 2 root 3. So if you have to find the zeros of a polynomial, then the polynomial value will become 0. You can find equal 0. Then find the value of x. That is the answer. Okay. Next question. Again one cubic polynomial. Zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. And cubic polynomial is in the standard form. Not in the standard form, last term is negative. Okay. Trighat বহুপদ this one. Standard form to the ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d লিখো আমি ইয়াত minus d দিছে আৰু zeros are alpha beta gamma. The alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of the zeros, sum of the alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of the zeros minus b by a. Sum of the zeros minus b by a. Okay. So where is the answer? Option number A. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Okay. This is the right answer. Okay. It was a simple question. কিন্তু মন কৰিব লাগে clearly যে যিটো standard form, sorry, just a minute. I have come to the starting position again. Just a minute. Yeah. Which question I have achieved? Up to which question I have discussed? Okay. This question I have to discuss now. In this question, this is not the standard form. This is a quadratic polynomial ax square minus bx minus c. Ita ami quadratic polynomial standard form to likho ax square plus bx plus c. অকল ইয়াত সাইন দুটাৰ ডিফাৰেন্স আছে এনিৱে আলফা প্লাস বিটা আমি মাইনাস বি বাই এ লিখো আলফা প্লাস বিটা ইকুয়াল মাইনাস বি বাই এ ফর্মুলাটো মতে মাইনাস বি বাই এ মাইনাস বি বাই এ যদি পলিনোমিয়ালটো এটো হয় পলিনোমিয়ালটো এটো হয় এতিয়া আমাৰ পলিনোমিয়ালটো ইয়াত নেগেটিভ দিয়া আছে ইয়াত পজিটিভ হলে মাইনাস বি বাই এ নাও we have to put minus b by a so in place of minus b by a for this one we have to write for this polynomial we have to write b by a so option D is the correct answer so alpha plus beta is equal to b by a okay do not make confuse yourself so always think in a proper way yeah okay আকৌ এটা ত্ৰিঘাত বহুপদ cubic polynomial and zeros are alpha beta gamma so sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha and those sum we have to find out is equal to this is the standard form and this is alpha beta beta gamma and gamma alpha is equal to same as product of the zeros in a quadratic polynomial that means c by a so right answer is c by a okay always remember this next this is the next question এবাৰ এটা পলিনোমিয়াল দিয়া আছে কিউবিক পলিনোমিয়াল sum of the zeros 6 that means শূন্যবোৰৰ সমষ্টি 6 দিয়া আছে কিউব উলিয়াব লাগে okay what is the sum of the zeros of a cubic polynomial minus b by a এটা ত্ৰিঘাত বহুপদৰ শূন্যবোৰৰ সমষ্টি তাৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো হ'ল minus b by a so alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Now according to this quadratic polynomial and alpha plus beta plus gamma given value is 6 and minus b by a that means minus what is b minus 3k and what is a 2 so if we cross multiply 12 equal 3k therefore what is k k equal 4 so it is given 4 this is the right answer very simple just you have to remember those points that means sum of the zeros product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial of a cubic polynomial eta dighat বহুপদ eta ত্ৰিঘাত বহুপদ সদায় সিহঁতৰ সাম প্ৰডাক্টৰ যে কিটা ফৰ্মুলা আছে হেকেটা মনত ৰাখিলে প্ৰপাৰলি যদি পুট কৰা যায় উইদাউট having mistake of signs sometimes negative sometimes positive and after calculation we can find the answer okay this is the right answer yeah next eta বহুপদ this is a cubic polynomial and 3 zeros these are 3 zeros p minus q p plus q p মান উলিয়াব লাগে p minus q p and p plus q then the value of p okay what is the sum of the zeros p minus q p plus q these are the zeros so what is the sum of the zeros p minus q p and p plus q so what is the sum of the zeros according to formula minus b by a now P minus Q plus P plus P plus Q. This plus Q minus Q cancel and it will become 3P. And this side, what is the value of B? Value of B is minus 6. Minus 6. And what is A? 2. And this 3P will become 6 by 2, 3. Therefore, what is the value of P? P equal 1. দেখাত কুৱেশ্যনটো খুব টান নিচিনা লাগে কাৰণ জিৰোস কেটা দিয়া আছে এনেকুৱা ধৰণে আমি সাম কৰিলে q টো ক্যান্সেল হৈ যায় সাম অফ দা জিৰোস কৰিলে q টো ক্যান্সেল যাব আৰু q টো ক্যান্সেল গলে অনলি আমাৰ এক্সপ্ৰেছনটো সামটোৰ এক্সপ্ৰেছন হ'ব ইন টাৰ্মস অফ p p টাৰ্মসত থাকিব আৰু পলিনোমিয়ালটো যেহেতু দিয়া আছে তাৰ পৰা আমি -b/a কৰিলে যোনটো ভ্যালু পাম এই ভ্যালুটোৰ লগত কম্পেয়াৰ কৰি p ভ্যালুটো উলিয়াব পাৰি so this is the, where is the option number A? Option A is correct. Okay. So this was the last question. This was the last question of today's class. And this part 2, there are some more MCQ and some very short answer type questions. I will come later. Okay then, if you have learned something from this video, hit like button and subscribe the channel NJP Coaching. Also, not to miss the notification of this type of videos, press the bell icon. See you friends, keep learning. Thank you.